Hi everyone, it's your boy Ofentse once again. Thank you for being one of the few subscribers that I have, and if you are new to this channel, you know what to do. Click the like button, click the notification button, subscribe to get more of these videos. Today I've got a very exciting topic which is about small account traders. Please, you need to understand and take notes as I'll be going into much deeper and go much more into the things that will enable you to grow your forex account, specifically a small one for that fact. So basically, please do not forget, please don't go anywhere, stay tuned. Hi guys, thank you for staying tuned, and today's exciting topic is all about small account traders. Basically, the best advice that I will give it to you, the best way on how to trade on or treat or make money from a small trading account, which can be at $5, $10, $100, you understand? So basically, it simply means that, with that being said, the biggest advice is treat it like a small account. So basically, don't just trade a small account like it is a big account. You cannot trade a $100 account like you're trading a $10,000 account, you understand? So basically, what I'm saying is that take what the market gives you, whether it becomes 30 to 50 pips, take it. You're still building up your account. So basically, someone with a $10,000 account is able to hold moves like 200 pips because it is painful. Oh yes, it is painful. It is painful for the market to go up and come back down to your entry. So you'll be holding 80 pips and then you forget to trail stop, then it comes back to your entry, boom, hits your stop loss. So with your small account, it demoralizes you because you are new into forex trading and you feel that you need to make a lot of money all at once. Then it hits your stop loss. You're like, oh, this is not for me. Well, and it will not be for you if you don't follow the right rules. Follow the right rules, follow your trading plan, take profits consecutively. So basically, I always emphasize, even $1 profit, it's still profit. I still emphasize that even $1 profit is still a profit, because it's better to be on a positive balance than to be on a negative balance. So with that being said, you need to understand that whenever you put your trades to make money. Whether they lose, it won't be in your control, but you plan to win, you understand? So prepare your mindset that if there's a possibility, there's a chance that the trade that you put in won't go your way. But when it goes your way, make sure you learn to trail stop. Keep pushing up your stop loss into profit. If you are buying, keep pushing it up into profit. If you are selling, keep pushing it down into profit. You cannot hold 100 pips wide open like that, because sometimes there's fundamentals in the market that you may not be aware of. Then there will be a big spike, then it suddenly puts your positive profits into negative, you understand? So basically, you need to understand that a small account has to be treated like a small account. It's just like driving. You cannot get on the big road without taking baby steps, you understand? It's like a baby walking. You first start crawling, then you start holding the rails, then you start holding whether it can be your guardian, your parents, then you understand, then you get tired, then you go again, you get tired, then you go again, you get tired. So basically, it is a process whereby you grow into doing it more often. You understand? You cannot start trading today with $100 and expect it to be $10,000 by tomorrow. It doesn't happen like that. Don't let anyone lie to you. You put in the hard work, you start taking small profits, even $2, $3, $5, you understand? Then it starts getting easier, you understand? Your psychology is the one that makes you not take those profits, you understand? If you see there's a certain change into the market, there's a certain reversal, then you feel like the market won't go in your favor, take those profits. Take what the market gives you, not what you want the market to give you. You understand? I'll repeat that. Take what the market gives you, not what you want the market to give you. You understand? Basically what I'm saying is that the certain moves that go for a certain instant, they tend to start getting tired, or let's say you are bullish and then you start going up, then you start reversing down. So basically with your small account, you don't want that. You want to capitalize on the move that's going up. You don't want to hold a retracement for long. For instance, let's say you enter a trade in a correction. By a correction, I mean whereby you enter a trade when it is in a pause, or it is taking momentum so that it can continue to the previous move. Like, let's say you are buying, then the correction will eventually be down or flat. You buy within the middle, you understand? You know what that happens? Let's say for instance it goes down for 50 more pips in the correction, man. You are sitting with $100 account, then you go margin in, full margin. You know what's gonna happen? Your account will start being negative, and the brokers will start removing your orders one by one once your margin level gets reached. Some brokers margin level, maximum level, it will be -50. So once you reach -50% margin, they will start removing your orders, you understand? Then you find that by the time the market decides to go up, your account has already blown, you understand? So basically learn to take small profits as you build your small account, you understand? If I put $100 physically here, would you take it, or you gonna say you'll take it tomorrow, or you'll take it after 5 hours? I put $100 here on the table, boom. Would you say you're gonna take it, or you will take it tomorrow or after 2 hours? You will take it, right? So basically treat your small account like physical cash, you understand? You would take it, treat it like physical cash. Don't just be saying I'll take profit when this trade reaches $500, whereas you're using 0.01. It might happen it will reach that $500, but it can take 3 months or 5 months, you understand? Where will you be? Where will your growth as a forex trader be? So basically learn to trade to take profit. Once you take profit, it is in your account. You can withdraw it to your bank account. It's your money, you understand? It's like physical cash. But once the trades are still moving, whether you are blue or red, it's not yours. Yes, the profit or the loss is not yours. Yes, once the market has decided, or you have decided to take profit, you understand? So basically learn to trade to take profit, understand? Don't trade to impress people or always telling people that you are a trader, you understand? Yes, everyone can be a trader, but there's very few people who withdraw from forex trading. So basically learn to trade to withdraw, because that's the first thing you need to understand, that your small account, you need to trade it like a small account. Accept that it is a small account, you understand? I myself started there. I used to trade with a $3 account, then I flipped it because I was taking multiple profits. I remember there was one time I flipped a $3 account into, how much? It was $200, you understand? In one day, you understand? I flipped a $3 account into a $200 account in one day. Then I flipped it over $200 account into $600 account, you understand? So basically I was positioned at that level that I need to take profit. I accept what the market is giving me. I will put in multiple trades, you understand? Whenever I take profit, I take profits, all of them, you understand? So basically I was scalping very, very, very hard. That helped me to be able to understand that the market is not your home, the market is not your parent, you understand? You need to take whatever it gives to you. You cannot tell the market, I want more than what it is giving to you. Learn to accept what you're getting, you understand? Physical cash, you understand? Learn to respect physical cash into your bank account. So basically what I'm simply saying that learn to take profits as much as possible, you understand? You are trading a small account, understand that a small account won't grow overnight, you understand? Unless you're planning not to sleep, unless you're planning to scalp hard, you understand? But it is possible that you can blow that account because you'll be over leveraging your account. So basically learn to take partial profits, you understand? So basically, and diversify your pairs. So basically that simply means you can trade 3 pairs, then you and make sure they don't correlate with each other. Like for example, you cannot trade 3 USD pairs, you understand? By that means you cannot trade Euro USD, USD JPY, GBP USD. All of these 3 pairs have USD. So if something happens to the American dollar, there's chance that you lose all your trades, you understand? So at least try to diversify. You can take your GBP JPY, you can take your gold, and you can take something else. You can take your Aussie dollar, or you can take USD JPY, you understand? So basically you can see we have gold, which has American dollar as well, and you have USD JPY and GBP JPY, you understand? So basically in that combination, it simply means that whenever the USD pairs go against you or go wrong, you have the GBP JPY to go in your favor, you understand? So it actually helps you to be able to understand that you cannot rely or fully margin on one pair. Basically what I'm saying, you can trade one pair, but you have to put your risk management in place, you understand? You have to put your risk management. Don't just go full leverage on your account and say I'm going all in. You put in big lots and say this is the ideal setup. No. So learn to treat a small account like one. Learn to take partial profit. That's the way you're gonna grow your account. You're gonna grow your forex trading account. You understand? Don't be looking at someone who decides that okay, I've made $1,000 today, but he's not telling you how much he's risking in his account. For that, some people $1,000 risk is 10%. You understand? So basically, some people profit if they make $1,000 is 10% up on their account side. So basically, you ask yourself, you having a $100 account, you cannot afford to risk that much. You understand? So basically, in short, I would like to say you need to run your race at your own pace. Understand that we are not equal. Our forex accounts are not the same. Understand the level where you are. Understand whether you are a beginner or you are advanced trader. Understand the level where you are. The minute you understand where you are, you'll learn to focus on your journey. My previous video was about my forex journey. I hope you did watch it. It was very, 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 very exciting. I have guests on it and it's very much exciting content. They also share their forex journey. And also I like to say, understand the type of account. Risk management is impossible. The time you stay in the market is important in a smaller account. Your profits are important. Those moves, those short moves are important. The time frames whereby you trade on, it's very much vital. It's what will break you or build you. So basically, learn to take partial profits. Ladies and gentlemen, treat your small account like a small account. Thank you. Be sure to like and subscribe to get more of these videos. It's your boy Ofentse Ledwaba. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Thank you for the support. Please click like button, share button, share with your mates, share with your families, share with everyone. Let's spread the word to the world. Thank you. It's your boy signing out.